Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion databases to Power Analytics dashboards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Notion account. Navigate to the database you want to use for your analytics dashboard. On the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. Select Share from the drop-down options. In the sharing settings, locate the Invite section. Input the email address associated with your analytics tool. Make sure to give the necessary access permissions, typically can view or can edit. Click the Invite button to authorize access. Next, open your analytics tool and go to the integration settings. Look for the option to connect a Notion database. You may need to authenticate your Notion account if prompted. Choose the database you just shared from the list of available options. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the connection. Once connected, you can begin to pull data from your Notion database. Configure your analytics dashboard to visualize the data as needed. Make sure to save your changes and refresh the dashboard to view updates. Periodically check permissions in Notion to ensure continued access. This process allows your Notion data to effectively power your analytics dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.